Hello guys, welcome to our new video of SevenMentor. This video is about the graphic designer. So let's begin the interview. Hello Prathamesh, tell me something about yourself.
Hello sir, my name is Prathamesh and I have learned graphic designing from SevenMentor Institute, Pune. So my hobbies are gaming, drawing and watching movies.
So, what design software you are proficient in?
So sir, basically I uses Photoshop, CorelDRAW, Illustrator for graphic designing purposes.
Can you explain some examples you have completed project by using these tools?
Uh, with use of Photoshop, I designs social media graphics, just like promotional post, infographic post, and with the help of CorelDRAW and Illustrator, I designs vector designs like logo designing, brochures for printing purposes.
So, what are the difference between CMYK and RGB?
So, sir, CMYK is a color format which define as a C for cyan, M for magenta, Y for yellow, and K for black. And just like that, RGB stands for red for R for red, G for green, and B for blue.
Okay. So, what are the purpose of both?
So, sir, basically CMYK uses for printing purposes, and RGB is used for digital purposes for TV, television, or social media purposes.
Okay, Prathamesh. So, explain the process of applying a gradient overlay to a text layer.
We have to double tap on the text layer, or we can right click on the text layer and go into blending modes, where we can see gradient overlay. We can tap on it and we can change color, opacity, and fill options according to our choice.
Okay, nice. Explain the process of creating a clipping mask in Photoshop.
So sir, we have to arrange the layer which we have to clip in the shape. uh, so we have to press Ctrl Alt G. It's a shortcut for clipping mask. And there is another option where we can tap on the we have to select both layer, and we can right click on it and say clip in mask.
Okay, Prathamesh, nice. Can you explain the difference between raster and vector graphics?
Yes, sir. So, raster graphics are the graphics which we can, if we zoom into that graphic or maybe image, so it get pixelated, and we cannot transform it easily, and it will be look like pixelated. And vector graphics, we can create vector in certain software, CorelDRAW, Illustrator. There are some examples of it, and it's generally not pixelating. uh, that's the difference between both of graphics.
Thank you, Prathamesh. We will let you know the results soon.